Hi guys, we're on the plane and we are on our way to Kumbh 2019. This is Ayan Mukerji, our beautiful director.
Mahashivratri, everyone.
That's Ranbir Kapoor.
Happy Mahashivratri.
Happy Mahashivratri guys, and that's the rest of our team. Okay, so do you have any idea why we're going to the Kumbh Mela?
To leave you there so nobody can ever find you there.
That's not why we're going to the Kumbh Mela. We're about to take off, but what I'm going to tell you is that it's a very auspicious day, it's a very special day, and we have something supremely special planned for all of you from on behalf of Team Brahmastra. Never seen before, and yeah,
It's going to be fun.
we're very excited.
Okay.
Stay tuned at 7:30.
Tune in at 7:30.
Give us a nice smile.
Hi, Steve.